Unlock the power of breath. Join us online. The membership site breathwithme.online offers a free membership to anyone interested in exploring the benefits of conscious breathing. Members have access to a blog filled with informative articles on the power of breathwork and its impact on overall well-being. Additionally, the site hosts weekly free sessions where participants can practice various breathing techniques guided by experienced instructors. One of the main focuses of the breathwithme.online membership site is to provide information on 9D breathwork, a powerful practice that combines breathwork with other holistic modalities to create a transformative experience. Members can learn about the different dimensions of breathwork and how they can be utilized to unlock deeper levels of healing and self-discovery. Through the breathwithme.online membership site, individuals have the opportunity to connect with a community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to exploring the potential of breathwork as a tool for personal growth and healing. Whether you are new to breathwork or a seasoned practitioner, the site offers a wealth of resources and support to help you on your journey towards greater health and well-being. Sign up now at breathwithme.online/register and join our vibrant community.